So, as we move into spring, let's take time to connect to nature. One of the fastest ways to reset your energy is just to step outside, to connect to the trees, the plants, the grass. So, why does it matter? Well, nature regulates the nervous system, it grounds scattered energy, it restores clarity, calm, and presence. The body remembers balance when it reconnects to earth. So nature has this ability to reset our energetic frame and energy. So whether you go out and touch the trunk of a tree, whether you're planting in the dirt, whether you're just putting your feet on the grass, whether you're just sitting in nature, it has this ability to reset our nervous system, our chakras, and really get us grounded and present. Connection doesn't have to be complicated. You don't have to go for a hike or a retreat. You don't have to drive to the mountains or to the ocean. You can just step out in your yard to really connect to nature. There are simple ways of taking 5 slow, deep breaths and feeling the sun, the wind, and the air on your skin, touching that tree, that plant, even a rock or a stone, and sitting quietly, observing without distraction. Put your body in the experience. Feel your feet on the ground. Let your shoulders relax. Slow down your pace and allow your senses to lead. Nature is a teacher. It moves in cycles, not urgency. It models patience, growth, resilience, and it reminds us we don't have to rush to be worthy. So, release your stress, your mental clutter in your head, support emotional regulation, enhance your intuition and awareness, bring perspective and grounding back to your physical body. Get out in nature when you feel overwhelmed, disconnected, or stuck. When you need clarity and your mind is just all over the place, when you need to return to yourself. Nature doesn't judge or demand, it holds a space to support you. Its presence is only the requirement, is for you to show up. So, what shifts when you allow yourself to slow down and connect with Mother Earth? So, step outside today, even briefly, and let nature remind you of who you are and reconnect to its natural abilities.